I am back. I made it outside, y'all. We had some crazy rain yesterday, off and on all day, so I didn't make it to the trail. But then today it was thunderstorms in the morning, so the sun came out for a little bit. I don't know where it's at. I think it's above me. So I'm like, let me try to get a quick walk in at this trail because it is supposed to storm again later this evening. So if I can just make it around one time, that'll be a good 2 miles, and I'll be satisfied with that. Still going, still pushing. Kids are in school, so it's just me today. Everything's growing back nicely. It's a little windy still today. They had done some controlled fires out here, and so it was a little crazy looking at first, but everything's growing back and I'm loving it. There's some people on the trail today walking and running. Love to see it. Our vlog is up about our Sunday, what we did last Sunday. We went out over to my mom's and hung out. It was a very nice day. It was another day that was like 80, so check that little vlog out. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. Let me do the walk. Bye. So loud out today. You can never go wrong with nature. Oh, there's some little deer.